Hello and welcome back to the 13th video of the JavaFX application. And in this video we're going to go straight into some algorithms, and the first one is to work out the first day of the calendar. And it's the Monday, the first Monday of the calendar, because we need to know on which Monday our calendar is going to start. So we're just going to go straight into that. It will become clearer as we go on what I do really mean about the first Monday on which our calendars start, because it's not the first Monday of the month, it is the first Monday of our calendar. So we're going to create a local variable, and it's going to be a local date variable, and I'm going to call it first Monday of calendar, just because that is exactly what it is. And in order to find this date, we have to look at the first day of the month, which is the local variable we created here, and the first day of the month, this one, we need to see whether that is a Monday or not. So that's the first check we're going to do. So we're going to say if first day of month not we need to just say dot get day of week, because we need the day of the week of that first day of month. And if that not equals, and here we're going to use the class from LocalDate day of week dot Monday. So that's really a nice feature we can use there. So basically saying if the first day of the month that we created, that date, if that date, the week day of that date, if it is not Monday, then we're going to do the following algorithm. We're going to say first Monday of calendar equals, and this is going to be first day of month dot, and we're going to minus days. This is using a function again within local date, and it is going to be first day of month dot get day of week, and in order to do the calculations we need to get the value of that day dot get value. And then of course, because of programming, we need to say x minus 1, and so then that is going to be the first Monday of our calendar. So if it so here we've checked whether it's not a Monday, then we say it needs to do this, so it gets the value for that first Monday. Basically says this first Monday of the week is the first day of the month minus the first day of the month dot get day of week dot value minus 1. So, and in that way we find the first day of our calendar. Now if it is a Monday, because we need to make sure that we put that in, so if it is a Monday, then first day of month equals first Monday of calendar equals first day of, my fingers are going too fast, first day of month. Good. So if we just then print that out to our console, say text, and we're going to say first Monday of calendar equals, and we're going to put in there the first Monday of the calendar. Copy that. So if we now run our program, then you will see that the first Monday of the calendar is going to be the 27th of the 6th, 2020. And if we do just check that, you can see here that with the Windows calendar it is the 27th of the, so we have done that correctly. Very good. Now, the next algorithm we need to look at is going to be work out the last day of the calendar. And in order to do that, the last day of the calendar is going to fall on a Sunday, and we're going to call it last sunny day, Sunday of calendar. And that's what we're going to call it, and it is also going to be a local date. Oh. And we are going to set that local date, and and we're going to say first day of month, and we're going to add dot plus month, and we just want to add 1 month to that. Good. Now we need to check if that last if that last Sunday of calendar day, if it is actually a Sunday. So let's do that. It's very similar to the statement we've done before. If last Sunday of calendar dot get day of week is not equals, that's going to be the date, the day of week dot that's because I don't have that equals, that should be fine, day of week dot Sunday. So we're checking whether that is a Sunday. I'm just going all over the place. So if that is not a Sunday, then we have to say last Sunday of calendar equals. So now we're going to set that last Sunday of calendar equals last Sunday dot plus days. That's going to be 7, and this is a little bit of a tricky one, minus last I don't know why I keep on writing Sydney, Sunday of calendar dot get day of week dot get the value, and that's that. So if we then just say to the console dot set text, and there's last Sunday of calendar equals, just so that we know what's going on, concatenate that, and then just add the last Sunday to that. Did that again. We'll set the text. There we go. So now if we run that, you will see that our calendar ends on the 7th of August, which is very much what we have here. So we have our first day, which is Monday, the 27th, which is the first Monday of our calendar, and then we have the last Sunday of our calendar, which is the 7th, which is the 7th of August. So that's absolutely correct. So far, so good. Now we need to work out how many days is in our calendar, and that is pretty straightforward. I'm just going to make a space here so we can see that we are actually moving forwards here. So it's very, very easy. We're just going to create an integer, and we're going to say days, let's say days of our, or days in our calendar. let's say days in our calendar, and we are going to set that, and it is going to be last Sunday of calendar dot get day of year. So it's going to be this one, get day of year, and we're going to minus first Monday of calendar dot get day of year. And that then has to, that's it. That's how many days there are in our calendar. Good. So that's what we did. And if we just go to the console dot set text, and we can say days in our calendar, and we can just say number of days. Days in our calendar equals, and we're going to add the days in our calendar. See if I can do that right this time without doing too much mixing up of coding here. So if we just start that, then the number of days that we have in our calendar is 41, because our calendar is going to start on the 27th and of June and end of the 7th of August. So that is absolutely correct. So in our next video we are going to just use our for loop. We need to create a couple of more algorithms, very simple ones, and we're going to make our calendar work properly in the for loop. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I wish you a happy coding.